Welcome to my channel, My Craft World. Today we are going to learn how to cook Baingan ka bharta or Smokey Brinjal. Please like and subscribe my channel. Things needed: 2 medium-sized brinjal or eggplant, 1 big onion chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 2 green chillies chopped, curry leaves, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and oil. Take 2 medium-sized eggplant or brinjal. Apply some oil to the brinjal and put it on the medium flame. Flip it and roast it until it is cooked from all the sides. Immediately after roasting, dip it in water. This helps to peel the brinjal skin fast. Peel off the skin and chop it roughly. Take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add green chillies, curry leaves, onion, turmeric powder and salt. Now fry it on medium flame until it turns light golden brown. Then add ginger garlic paste and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the brinjal top portions so it can cook properly. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until soft. Then add jeera powder and mix it well. Now add brinjal pieces, then cook for 2 more minutes. Now add red chilli powder and coriander powder to it. Now add 1 cup of water, cover it with a lid and cook it for 3 minutes on a low flame. Finally add garam masala powder, coriander leaves and mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our tasty Baingan ka bharta or smoky brinjal is ready. Serve hot with pulkas or chapatis or as a side dish with rice. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.